Hi, I'm Mallory Warner with the Lafayette team at eXp Realty. Today, I'm back in one of my all-time favorite communities and one of Columbia's premier resort-style communities, Cobblestone Park, located in Blythewood, South Carolina. I'm so excited to show you my newest listing, 1132 Coogler Crossing Drive. This home is only a few years old, but is truly better than new. The owners have put in tasteful and functional upgrades throughout, including custom closets and bookshelves, a Carolina room, and a spacious paver patio that overlooks one of the best views of Cobblestone Park's golf course. Come on in and see this breathtaking home for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1132 Coogler Crossing Drive. Give the Lafayette team a call today to schedule your private viewing.